10 disciples, and every one of them is at martial emperor level? How can you possibly be a 5th-tier sect? Did you take some kind of forbidden drug? Or could it be that the rise of my Grand Dian Saint sect is threatening the interests of certain people? You've secretly gathered elite disciples from various sects to suppress my Grand Dian Saint sect. Old man, don't overthink it so much. Maybe it's simply because your skills are lacking. Give me a straightforward answer. Are you surrendering or not? Even though your strength is quite strange, since our Grand Dian Saint sect dares to call itself saint, we certainly have our own methods. Although we were caught off guard and lost 2 disciples, we still have enough trump cards to turn the tables. Tianer. All disciples heed my command. Grand Dian illusory formation. Following the sect master's order, all the disciples of the Grand Dian Saint sect stood in formation, channeling their chi energy into the air. Their combined energy gathered and began to manifest into a spirit. As the spirit slowly took shape from their chi, the immense pressure from its hand caused the ground beneath it to crack. It's here! The 3-headed, 6-armed phantom spirit of the Grand Dian Saint sect. This ticket was totally worth it. I thought they'd save this combo technique for the finals. 3 heads, 6 arms, but no dual sun-moon topknots. Disappointing. Arrogant. As the spirits slowly took shape from their chi, it formed 3 large energy balls with its 6 arms and hurled them toward the opposing sect. Who's going? Are you going or not? I could go, but the sect leader demands after the battle are a bit complicated. I'll handle it. It's my duty after all. As the sect leader had instructed them to promote the Tang family's pills after the battle, everyone hesitated. However, Zueji stepped forward. As he walked, he slowly pulled the tie from his neck, wrapped it around his hand, and struck at the incoming energy ball, causing it to completely disappear. The spirit phantom, right? After the energy ball was destroyed, they once again attacked Zueji from the front, right, and left sides. No big deal. But once again, their attacks had no effect, and Zueji countered each one effortlessly. One person, fighting against the spirit phantom, which is on par with a high-level martial emperor? And this is just one disciple? Could this all-time sect be some kind of hidden ancient sect? Such powerful and dazzling techniques. I'm tempted to join their sect myself. After countering their attacks, he used his technique, Overlord Breaking Whip, pushing them all back. It actually knocked us all back at the same time. Time for the finishing move. Since they didn't have much energy left, as it took a lot to maintain the spirit's manifestation, they went all out in this attack. Having exchanged these few moves with you, it can be considered giving you enough respect. What comes next is what the sect leader ordered us to give you. Despair. He doesn't even dodge in front of the phantom spirit's strike? Senior brother, could it be that he's frozen in fear? No dodging. Because there's no need. They thought their attack had landed because he didn't dodge, but their strike didn't even leave a mark. Then Zueji swiftly appeared beside him, delivering a punch to each of them, and afterward he blushed. Ahem. Sometimes, after excessive fatigue, your body feels completely drained, with sore waist and legs, and a lack of energy. What you need is... Try the all-time body strengthening pill. Instantly restores vitality, enhances physique, and recovers an overdrawn body. Now available at all major Tang family pharmacies. If you join the strongest all-time sect, you'll receive a free monthly supply. Plus, there are even more high-quality pills. Seeing the all-time sect advertising in the middle of the match, well, I can't really say in the middle since Zueji had already defeated them. Back at the scene, the audience's reactions were mixed, with some left speechless and others thinking, what the heck? The next day. Second young Master Tang, how's the response to our advertisement? I bet a lot of people are rushing to buy the pills. There were indeed quite a few, but even more people came asking about where they can buy the pants worn by Zueji. They withstood the full-strength attack of the spirit phantom without tearing. They're asking if the Tang family is interested in branching out into the clothing business. Damn,